of G220 in Omaha, Nebraska. I would like to personally invite each of you watching this video to Rep the King Conference 2013, or simply RTK 13. We have an amazing weekend planned for you April 12th through 14th right here in Omaha, Nebraska with some outstanding guests like Tommy Green of Sleeping Giant, K-Drama, Phil Stacey, who came off of American Idol. We also have Pastor Adam McCain, Phil Valdez, and Pastor Pat Schatzline, and really a lot more than that. It's going to be an amazing weekend, but here's the thing. It won't be as amazing if you're not there with us. We're going to encounter God, and we're praying for revival to break out and a complete outpouring to happen right here in Omaha, Nebraska. Would you join us? We would love to have you. Check out www.220omaha.com for more information or to register. The cost is only $45. We made it as cheap as possible to make sure anybody on the planet could be here for it. We hope to see you there because we know we'll be there, and we're expecting Jesus to meet us right here in this place. Hope to see you at RTK 13.